Beautiful storms right here by the northwest. I know there's some going up to Rockford. I think I saw a flash of lightning. Me walking bear and my little girl Mona, the cheeky, cute little doggy she is today, and Bear, well, being Bear, of course. And I was having, oh, come on, Bear, let's go, buddy. I'm trying to get a good shot. Oh, did you guys see that? There was the lightning right over there. Yeah, we got some pretty cool lightning here. The lightning show. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Wow! That is so freaking cool. Wow. Amazing. Absolutely amazing.